Namaste friends, I am Sameer Goyal. I welcome you at ekunji channel on YouTube. Today I bring Jaipuri dry fruits pulao for you from royal cuisine of Rajasthan. We need basmati rice, sugar, ghee, chironji or charoli, almond, pistachio chips, cashew nuts, raisins, green cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, javitri powder, saffron and milk. You can print this recipe from my website ekunji.com. First of all, wash rice and soak in water for 1 hour at room temperature. Here I am using soaked rice. Add ghee, rice, milk and saffron in a heavy bottom pan and let it cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add all the ingredients except cashew nuts, mix it well and let your rice cook on low flame. When the rice is completely cooked and the entire milk gets absorbed by the rice, then add cashew nuts in it and mix it well. Serve your wonderful pulao hot. This Jaipuri dry fruit pulao is very healthy diet for your family, especially in winters. Make this royal dish with love. Enjoy with your family and write me your experience. Subscribe me at ekunji channel on YouTube to keep watching my new recipes every Saturday.